In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a star icon in Figma. Start by logging into your Figma account. On the dashboard, open the file or project where you want the star icon to live. Picking the right file at the start keeps your assets organized and makes it easier to reuse the icon across your designs later on. Once you're in the editor, look along the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Find the Shape tool. By default, it shows a rectangle icon. Click the small downward arrow next to that icon to expand the shape options and choose star from the list. Move your cursor onto the canvas and click drag to draw the star. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. Just set a rough size and position. You can always fine-tune the look and dimensions right after you place it. If snapping guides appear while you draw, use them to keep the star centered relative to nearby elements for a clean layout. With the star still selected, shift your focus to the panel on the right. This Properties panel controls everything about the shape. Start with Fill. Click the color swatch to open the color picker. Choose a solid color, try a brand hex value, or explore a gradient if your style calls for it. You'll see the star update in real time as you adjust, which makes it easy to compare options quickly. If you need an outline, enable stroke, pick a color, and set the weight. Icons often look best with a crisp, even stroke. Keep the weight consistent with other icons in your set for visual harmony. You can also refine the structure of the star. Adjust the number of points and the inner radius to control how spiky or compact it feels. A slightly larger inner radius tends to read better at small sizes. If available, gentle corner rounding can soften the tips just enough to reduce visual noise without losing the star's character. Under Effects, consider a very subtle drop shadow or blur only if your design needs depth. For most iconography, simple and flat works best. In Appearance, confirm opacity is set to 100% unless you intentionally need transparency. Layout and alignment controls help you position the star precisely in a frame or grid, keeping spacing and balance consistent with other UI elements. And that's it. You logged in, drew a star from the Shape menu, and customized it in the Properties panel to match your style. You now have a clean, scalable star icon ready to use throughout your design.